Good morning children, welcome to our 5th class science. We have to know that today we have to give the notes of that first lesson. The first lesson name is our human body. Do you know that our human body or our body parts and sense organs? That is that application book page number 3, worksheet 1.2. You see this what application? External organs, that is organs located outside the human body are called external organs. What is that? Organs located organs. What is that? Which organs we can see out of our body? Organs are located outside of the body. Human body are called external. What is correct or not, I will check. First of all, how can you get the book? You can buy the textbooks. You can get that 2 science textbooks. One is that course notes, course textbook. Another one application book. Application book is that page number 3, worksheet 1.2. Is there question answer? First question is that what are the external organs? The organs located outside the human body are called external organs. Examples: eyes, nose, ears, etc. Second question is there in your textbook. Look at that. How many sense organs are there? What are their names? What are their names? First of all, we know the sense organs. We have now 5 types of sense organs. Yes. Then look here. Second answer, we have 5 sense organs. How many have? We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and last one, skin. Second question. How many sense organs are there? What? Name them. That there are 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Yes. Next one, third question is there. Eyes are the most important sense organ. Yes or no? Yes. Then we have proper light. We take care of our eyes means we have to read in proper light. Second one, do not read moving vehicles as it strains the eyes. Yes. If any exams are taken, competitive exams also there means we have to take the book and we have to move in vehicles, buses, we have to read, but it is not good for eyes. It is strain to the eyes. That is that. Then do not read moving vehicles as it strains the eyes. Third one, watch television. Watch the TV or television or computer or phone from a distance. When we watch the TV, we have to distance of at least 6 feet. About the television, we have to take distance of 6 feet. When we watching the mobile, we have to just distance, keep our eyes to distance to the phone. And computer also, that screen light will eye specialist, we have to check up with him. Okay na? First answer, what are the external organs? The organs located outside the human body are called external organs. Example: eyes, nose, ears, etc. We have the 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs. Third one afterwards I will send to you. Now fourth answer. What are the take care of our eyes? List the 5 care about the eyes that we can take care of about this type. Reading proper light. Do not read moving vehicles as it strains to our eyes. Watch the TV or television from distance of at least 6 feet. Do not rub eyes if you have any itching. Then wash your hands with clean and cold water. And the next one is that if you have any problem of eyes, go to hospital to check up with eye specialist. Go to hospital to check up with eye specialist. Okay now children. Next you see once here application book page number 1. You see that first one. I will write on the board these answers. First one. Organs that located outside of human body are called external organs. What is that? External organs. Here I will write. First one. External organs. First fill in the blanks. Second one. Sense organs help us to how? To see and what is that? Yes, we have to given the sense organs help to feel and respond. What is that? First one is feel. Feel is there in that? Feel. Sight problem. Fifth one is sight. Fifth one is sight. Dash. Spectacles are given to participants. Given to patients with the problem of sights. The doctor who treats the disorders and diseases of eyes known as that eye. Who? We have problem. Where we go? Ophthalmologist. What is that last one? Ophthalmologist. Here I am writing. See, there in the box in front of first fill in the blanks. Given in the box is there, you have to add the page number first. Worksheet is first worksheet. Second one that state true or false. Second page. That we may find it difficult to communicate without smell. This is we can communicate with our nose. We can smell it. No, we can communicate with our ears. When we listening what they are saying, we have to communicate, we have to give in the answer. Then this statement is false. Then true. Fourth one is false. And answer in one word. Third bit, turn the page number 2. Here is there one bit, see bit. That is answer in one word. Answer in one word. This is the first one. Sense organs that help us to smell. Which sense organ to help in smell? Tell me. Yes, nose. Nose is the nose organ will help to smell. Taste sweet, hot, spicy, sour. How can we add in the taste with our tongue only? No. Then the first set of teeth. What we called that first set of teeth? Tell me. When the teeth are coming, no? Yes, that is milk teeth. What is that? First set of teeth are called milk. Is it clear? Okay. One word answers. First one is that nose. We can smell it. We have to take air inside with our nose only. We have to taste different type of food with our sense organ. Which organ? Tongue. And the first set of teeth is called milk teeth. Afterwards, that permanent teeth will come. Up to here, worksheet number 1 completed. We have to first second worksheet. Worksheet number 2 low. Worksheet number 2. Is that we have to finish our first question. What is that? What are the external organs? That organs located outside of human body are called external organs. Eyes, nose, ears are etc. Second question. How many sense organs are there? What are that? We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Yes. Then fourth answer. I am not giving third answer because of that lengthy is there. Then next session I will explain to you that. Then we have to go to fourth question. What is that? How can we take good care of our eyes? And at least you have to mention the 5 ways of take care of eyes. That is that we can take care of about these types of caring. Read in proper light. First one, do not read a moving vehicle as it strains our eyes. Third one, watch TV or television from a distance of at least 6 feet. Fourth one, do not rub eyes if they are itching. Fifth one, wash your eyes with a clean and cold water. Sixth one, that if you have any problem of eyes, go to hospital to check up with eye specialist or ophthalmologist. These are the 3 question answers given to you, and we have to know the worksheet number 1.1, page number 1. First one, fill in the blanks. The organs that located outside human body are called external organs. Here they, and I also wrote on board. Second one, the sense organs helps us to feel and respond. Dash. Third one, help us to know the colors, different things. What is that? Eyes. Fourth one, do not read in a moving vehicle as it dash eyes. What is the eyes? It is eyes will strain. The spectacles are given for patients with which problem? Sight problem. The doctor who treats disorders or diseases from the eyes is known as the ophthalmologist or eye specialist. Next one is the true or false. First one is that false. Why? Because we can smell with our nose, but we can communicate with our ears. Ear itself, that is first one wrong, false. Second one true. Third one true. Fourth one false. And we have to turn the next page of application book, page number 2. That is that, see if it is the answer in one word. That sense organ that help us to smell. Which organ will help you? Nose. Then the process of taking the note on the board. See children, you should finish in your application book and photo take and put in WhatsApp compulsory. Okay now?